Hello and welcome. My name is Yenka. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add wallet authentication into your Next.js app by making use of Nil-Auth. Now, Nil-Auth is a toolkit that lets you easily add secure private authentication into your applications using Ethereum wallet, and it is all powered by Nilian. We'll integrate Nil-Auth into a simple microblogging app to showcase all of this. So let's get into it. So the first thing we need to do will be to install our Nil-Auth dependency and its pair dependencies. I should say that we've built out the crude logic of our microblogging app, so everything is fully functional. And for the sake of demos, this is exactly what we will be building. It's just a very simple crude application that takes advantage of private authentication, right? So if we connect the wallet, it'll connect like a typical wallet. This isn't like particularly novel. It's not the first of its kind in terms of wallet connects to decentralized applications. However, the privacy element and Nook's integration is what makes it really, really special. So we're going to sign these transactions, and these will then grant us access into our application. As you can see, this is the homepage. We have an option where we can make a post, and you can see previous posts. So welcome. And this just works really well. And it tells you the address that you are connected as and your decentralized identity as well. So for the sake of the demo, this is exactly what we will be building. And once you're disconnected, you lose access to the user panel, admin panel, and so on and so forth. So authentication, as it were, works seamlessly. And all of this is privacy preserving. So let me show you how to get it done. So like I said, we're going to install all of our dependencies. So the Nil-Auth package, secret vaults, and Nooks. So once all of that has been installed, the first thing we're going to do will be to create a Nil-Auth providers file. And we're going to paste this code here, save that, and then head over to layouts.tsx and wrap our entire component children inside of the provider. This will ensure that the entirety of our app is provisioned properly. And once that is done, the next thing we need to do will be to add a connect wallet button at the header and the body. And once we've added this will simply check for user authentication and grant access into the other parts of the application. We're going to start with the header. So we're going to head over to header.tsx. And then we're going to import Nil-Auth. And once that is done, we're going to destructure the value that come with the use Nil-Auth hook. This will enable us to manage and display user authenticated state. So obviously we have is authenticated, loading, wallet address, connect, and so on and so forth. So if the user is authenticated, we're going to display a disconnect button. And if the user is not authenticated, we're going to show a connect wallet button. And if authentication is successful and we get the wallet address, we're going to truncate the wallet address and display that at the header. And the second part we're going to make use of the use Nil-Auth hook will be in the welcome card. We're just going to paste use Nil-Auth here and then destructure the connect and its loading values. And once we're done in line 6, we are going to set up a connect wallet button right here. So these two buttons do the exact same thing, but different, user experience. And once authentication is successful, then the next thing will be to display user information and enable personalized app features. And that is done using the use session hook inside of the Nil-Auth package. The use session hook gives us session details, including the user's decentralized identifier. So with this, obviously, we're able to display personalized features. And what that looks like is if I were to connect again to my wallet, as you can see, it shows me the post that I have made, right? And if I were to disconnect it and switch to a different wallet, we should see a different result. So I'm going to switch to account 2 and then connect my wallet. And this is a completely different user, as you can see here. And it doesn't show the post of the previous user to the current user. And it can say this is my post, my first post. So these are the cool things we can do with the user session detail. And if I were to connect back to my previous wallet, you can see it has all of the previous posts. So it also shows my wallet address, my DID, and the posts that I have made. So with this simple microblogging demo, I have showed you how to set up authentication with your MetaMask wallet as a decentralized identity using Nil-Auth. So thank you for watching. All of the links will be made available in the description. If you found this helpful, feel free to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. And I'll see you in the next one.